You hit the scoop.
Alright, I'm about to go to Los Santos. Where you
I'm
at?
already up here.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah, I'm here. Man, these boys keep hopping and calling me think I'm a girl. I'm really a boy, man. So if you thinking I'm a girl, I'm not a girl.
Yeah.
And a martyr is on here, man. Cause they won't let us up in the thing. That bloated man called, man. Try to kill me. Oh, on him. Back that truck up. Back that truck up, bro. Move that truck. Hey, man, where you going on my truck? Man, this man just went up in here with my truck. Kill you. Now who y'all gonna get my shot?
Don't shoot me. I'm right here outside with the blue fuck.
I ain't gonna kill you. Just bag your car up, cause this fool tried to kill me and I'm finna blow his car up. Just bag your car up.